The dish comes out brighter, it comes out without stains, and it comes out much cleaner now. Before, for example, when we showed the dish like this, you could see the drips. Now, on the other hand, the dish is shiny and has no stains or anything.
We have no more odors from a chemical point of view, which used to happen with other systems that we had used before. If you get a glass that is well cleaned, well polished, that has no marks, that is really odorless, that does not transmit any kind of odor, and this is very positive because we are serving great dishes, great wines, great products, and this way you can notice more the essence of the product, which I think is what is fundamental in gastronomy today.
It works, it cleans, it removes the grease. We have no complaints, to be honest. There were days when you really cleaned. You would come home, hands burned, destroyed, cut of the product, because the degreaser is simply very strong besides. And oysters, right? And also ecologically, it is also much better. No more 5-liter plastic bottles or 10-liter plastic bottles, or now you have to change. No. It is a continuous process.
Very good, really. In the Peralada Group, in the last few years, great efforts have been made in the area of sustainability and the environment, that between all of us as a society, we have to try, we have to achieve it to move forward, and for the future that lies ahead, the truth is that yes,